How's it going, everyone? It is opening day here at Cedar Point for you. Because you were gone. You weren't here on opening day.
I was not here on opening day, and this is, what, 4 days after opening day? So this is my opening day at Cedar Point.
For those of you that watch our channel before, you'll know that we're always at the parks together, but if you watched my opening day video, you'll see I was solo.
Yeah.
You were in Atlanta.
I was in Georgia and Atlanta. So yeah, my cousin was graduating from college, so I was there. But now I'm at Cedar Point for the first time for me. So very excited. Been a while since I've been here, obviously. So
all right, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. All right, left or right, Milo? Which one?
I don't know.
Why don't you guys leave a comment down below, which way do you turn when you reach this spot here at Cedar Point? Do you go left or do you go straight?
What direction do you go every single time?
All right, your first Cedar Point ride of the year. All done, Siren's Curse.
Second and back row. Great ride. Good first ride of the year. Happy to be back.
Like the airtime is just crazy on that.
It is. I do like. I think I like the back more on this. I like the drop more in the back, which sounds weird.
I always hit my head.
You might think that like the front on the tilt coaster would be better, but I personally like the back more.
So this is pretty impressive. Everything that's supposed to be up and running for early entry seems to be. Even Millennium, have you seen Millennium go?
I have.
Don't know if Gatekeeper.
I don't know. Oh, it's not everything.
It's not done, okay.
Almost everything.
4 out of 5 ain't bad. All right, 3 rides on Top Thrill 2. It is pretty dead here today. We got like, especially with Fast Lane, we got like right on. The longest part is like walking from like the exit all the way back to the entrance. All right, for those of you wanting to ride Monster, good luck. Closed down and all the parts were sent to the Monster down at Kings Island. They needed more grass here, huh?
We're losing monsters. Baltimore got rid of its monster. Cedar Point got rid of theirs.
Oh yeah, it's a dying breed.
I know, we need more monsters. Hashtag save the monsters.
So we got a whole crew right here going on. You guys recognize Divine's been in a couple of our videos. My old friend Casey. What's up? What's up?
Go Cavs.
Go Cavs. That's right.
Go Cavs.
All right, Steel Vengeance time. Will be my first ride of the year on Steel Vengeance. Same.
My number one coaster. It would have been top tier 3, top tier 2, but nothing beats Steel Vengeance.
Steel Vengeance is great. So it should be a short line back here. Steel Vengeance, done and over with. A lot of people I think are getting like fatigued from Steel Vengeance because it's getting older.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, people can have whatever opinions they want, but I think Steel Vengeance is, I don't know.
Still,
People say it's repetitive or something. I don't know.
it's amazing.
But we've gotten in a lot. It's only 11:20. Look at my beautiful Dennis Schroeder wall.
Maverick, 0 minutes everywhere. That doesn't look like 0 minutes. Oh, well, fast lane better be 0 minutes. All right, stuck on Maverick. Someone threw up. Help!
Help, it hurts.
Someone threw up there. So we've been sitting here for like.
Worst coaster to get stuck on.
Yeah, the comfort collars just like push onto your shoulder. Oh my God. How you guys doing back there? Oh, we're happy to announce that all the throw up was cleaned up. Water's looking real purty right now. Nice and green, huh? I don't know. New ride incoming back here sometime in the near future. You were saying that they were there was clues?
Yeah, there's a sign.
We're gonna go find that.
Yeah. This is I'm here. There's might be a family coaster, Vekoma.
See, that's what we predicted. We did a 5-year plan video and we predicted a family coaster back in this area. I just don't think it's gonna be 27. Could be wrong though, who knows?
Who knows?
All right, let's see where this clue is. What sign? Oh, this thing? What's this? Omega 755. I mean, that's just paying homage to the old Sky Coaster.
Not a clue.
It says 3, 2, 1, fly, so.
Well, that's what they did with the Sky Coaster. Millennium Force. Oh my, look at this line. Or lack thereof, I should say. It's up over halfway up onto the ramp. This looks like if Milo's closet was a loading station on a roller coaster. Right, Milo, did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard.
You heard?
Yeah, for sure.
What did I say? I said if your closet was a loading station of a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah, it's funny.
Get it?
Yeah.
Get it?
It's funny.
It's funny.
It's funny.
Laugh.
It is funny.
Laugh.
Ha.
They are so understaffed right now. They got one person on each side checking the entire train. Not good, not good. Look, those people are excited for morning rush at Cedar Point. They're ready for that hour and a half of Rougarou ERT. You know they're short-staffed whenever you can't even exit out of like every exit. All right, we're gonna film an outro in the park, but along that main midway, it's just like there's music blasting. It's like copyright strike central.
I know.
All right, so we began to film this earlier, but copyrights, all the music playing. Went on Millennium, and I rode it on Saturday, no problem. Today, I think on Saturday I rode second to back on Blue Train. Today was up near the front on Red Train. Seatbelts, Like, as soon as you got on, you felt like the seatbelts were different.
Yeah, because obviously this was my first time riding Millennium this year, yeah, it felt very different. I don't know if I know some people thought like the texture was different. I don't know if that's true or not, but it felt a lot shorter. And I sat down, I was like, this is weird.
But literally, like, I don't know, probably just hours ago, Ryan from El Toro Ryan, he did a video all about that, about how the seatbelts, all sorts of people that used to be able to ride can't ride now. I will say that not all, if you guys any of you guys run into that problem, not all the seatbelts are the same. If you run into like a bad one, I happen to know near the back on blue is okay. That's like the old ones. So, but what is going on with Millennium? Why are the seatbelts like seriously like 2 inches shorter than they were before? All right, so that's it. Heading back. This was a very dead. I mean, it's a Wednesday and it's kind of cool. Like you can see, we're wearing jackets and hoodies.
Yeah, it was like 60. Very just 60 and cloudy. So I don't know. I think pretty comfortable weather, but there's like nobody here. Very short lines for the regular line too, for everything. So definitely a good day to come.
Yeah. So that is it for this video. Like, subscribe. Thank you, channel members.
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys next time right here on
Beach Cliff Studios.
See you guys. Yeah. Look, Mikey says bye-bye. Subscribe or I'll stab you.